Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinoso, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to access the YouTube Studio using your mobile phone. You get to learn how to access the YouTube Studio using your mobile phone. So if you're a YouTuber and you don't usually use the YouTube Studio, trust me, that is a very bad decision on your end. So you want to learn how to use the YouTube Studio, you want to learn how to access the YouTube Studio so that you can always get an in-depth understanding of how your channel is performing. With this feature alone, you get to learn how your videos are performing, where your audience are coming from, the kind of content that you need to start creating the more so that you can get to attract more audience to your channel. Trust me, the benefit of using the YouTube Studio is countless, like it's just countless. Alright, so if you're new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinoso, and if you're new here, just ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel so that you can always get value from this channel in subsequent time. So right now, I'll be showing you two different methods you can use to access the YouTube Studio using your mobile phone. So the very first method is for you to go to your Chrome browser. So let's head on straight to our Chrome browser. So once you're on your Chrome browser, the next thing you want to do is you want to search for youtube.com on your Chrome browser. So let's go to our search bar. So right here, I'll search for youtube.com. Can you see? So once you search for this, then it will load up my YouTube account for me. I see right here, this is my YouTube account. So the next thing you want to do is for you to set your account to desktop mode so that you can get a full view of what your account is showing, of what your YouTube account is showing. So let's go to this three dots up here. So once you click on that, you get to see where you get to like select desktop sites. Can you see it right here? So once you click on desktop sites, then it will give you a full view of what your channel looks like, what your account looks like. Can you see? So let me just rotate my phone so that it gets to fit the new mode that we are viewing this stuff as. So now I've done that. So you can see over here, we are seeing more features, unlike when it was on mobile mode. So that is why you have to reset your phone on desktop mode so that you can get to like maximize all the features on the back end of YouTube. So right here, you want to click on this hamburger icon right here. Can you see it? Just click on the hamburger icon. Once you click on that, then it will load up some features for you. You can see we have home, shorts, subscriptions, history. So just scroll down, keep scrolling. Then you get to see where we have the YouTube Studio. Can you see? You can see YouTube Studio right here. So just tap on YouTube Studio. It has taken us straight to my YouTube Studio. And you can see right here, it's showing channel dashboard. So over here, you get to see all the different features on your YouTube backend. You get to see the analytics, how your videos are performing, how your audience are reacting to your videos, and everything concerning your channel. So this is the first method you can use to access the YouTube Studio using your mobile phone and also using the desktop mode. So right now I'll be showing you the second method. If you're actually getting value, ensure to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So the second method I'll be showing you guys, we'll have to go to our Chrome browser again. So let me go straight to my Chrome browser. So once you're on your Chrome browser, right here you want to search for studio.youtube.com. So once you search for this URL, let's see what it loads for us. Can you see? Straight to our YouTube Studio. These are the features we saw earlier using the first method I showed you guys. Can you see? Straight to our YouTube Studio. So this is the second method you get to use to access your YouTube Studio using your mobile phone and also the desktop sites. So finally, this is just a tip for you. If you want to access this flawlessly without any challenge, ensure that your Chrome browser is already logged into your Gmail account. Ensure your Chrome browser is already logged into your Gmail account. It means if you are using Chrome for the first time, ensure that you log into your Gmail account so that you get to access these features. And also ensure that the Gmail account you are logging into is the same as the Gmail account you used to create your YouTube channel. So I believe you understand what I said right now. Ensure that you are using the same Gmail account used to create your YouTube channel and ensure it is logged into your Chrome browser. So go ahead and start using these features. Go ahead and start accessing the YouTube Studio so that you can get to understand how your channel is performing. So that you get to understand the things you need to do to get your channel to where you want it to be. So I believe you got value from this video, guys. I believe you actually got value from this video. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also ensure to subscribe to my channel so that I can always get value from my channel in subsequent time. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.